it was brought to my attention by one of the people taking this course that they were getting an error whilst trying to create a new file in brackets, and I can reproduce that error and show you the fix. So the error is, if you remember, I said right click over here and create a new folder. So we'll try and create a new folder and then enter, and this error appears saying an error has occurred when trying to create the new directory. The reason is, and I'm not sure if this is just PC Windows related or Mac related as well, but the reason is we're trying to create a new folder in this directory here, getting the started directory, and that is not writable. A very easy thing to do. Go to somewhere. I'm going to my documents, and I've created a new folder called brackets code. So we create that, create it wherever you want on the hard drive. It's just I've created it in my documents folder, and then go here and open folder. I don't want to save any changes I've done there. And then what you need to do, you need to go to that directory, if I can remember where I put it. Okay, select that folder, and now we can create new files, and we can create a new folder, no problem whatsoever. So if you see that error, just follow this, and hopefully that will fix the problem that you're getting. Okay, carry on with your next lecture.